Welcome once again to my channel. We want to simplify this rational expression involving powers, where 40 to the power of 80 is written as 40 to the power of 40 plus 40, while 80 to the power of 40 is written as 2 times 40 for 80, all to the power of 40. Now, quickly, two exponential laws will be applied here. The first is when we have sum of exponent, a to the power of x plus y, which is expressed as the product of a to the power of x and a to the power of y, while in the denominator, it is the law of power of a product. ab to the power of m is expressed as a to the power of m times b to the power of m. Then the expression becomes 40 to the power of 40 times 40 to the power of 40 in the numerator, while the denominator is 2 to the power of 40 times 40 to the power of 40. Easily, 40 to the power of 40 cancels out, and this leaves us with 40 to the power of 40 over 2 to the power of 40, where another exponential law is applied. And this law is when we have quotients, when we have a to the power of m over b to the power of m. The same exponent means that this is expressed as a over b, everything to the power of m. Then 40 to the power of 40 over 2 to the power of 40 becomes 40 over 2 to the power of 40, where 40 divided by 2 is 20. So the final answer is 20 to the power of 40. Now, can you simplify 30 to the power of 60 over 60 to the power of 30? Comment with your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you are yet to do so. Click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching this video, and bye.